show you guys my aunt's village. This is where, and her house is where we gonna spend the majority of our time. The road right here. So this is called Pum Kiep, this little village. So we're at my aunt's house, so let's take a little tour. Let's go. So every year, or every time I come here, this place has always been remodeled. So this is our little diner. I guess they sell like breakfast stuff, coffee, car. It's where my mom sleeps. It's another sleeping area. Stairs upstairs. My aunt sleep right here. Let's take a look at the shower area or the bath. So there's no light over here, but basically this is where you shower with or take a bath with the water right here. There is running water, but it's very low. Now, one of the biggest changes, which is a good thing for non-local, the toilet. So before it was the ground one where you have to squat. So they upgraded to a toilet, which is good. And this is the room that we've been sleeping in, and it's the only room with the AC, as you can see. Keep the room nice and cozy. All right, let's show you guys the kitchen area. Hey, so before that, let me show you the this is the outside, the outhouse. Let's see, right over there. So, which also has a toilet, which is good. The fan running. So look at the kitchen. We also have a washer over here. No dryer since it's so hot over here. They just air dry everything, but it's good to have a washer. There's the kitchen right here, guys.
ăn chay hộp tiêu với na tham tay mùi nhâm tiêu với na
Now, you don't like no chat with the car. You mean the
cái đây chụp đấy cái prực nó
that mean
ăn luôn lắm nè ăn luôn lắm này
we're having breakfast here at one of our go-to restaurant here. It's called Thai Brook. So this place is usually busy in the morning. The breakfast spot. Lunchtime is pretty dead. It's right here. What? Alright, we're at a new spot. No more deal at Thai Brook, so we're here. Yeah. So you can get that. Just get like quiet right here. You just want regular beef noodle?
Yeah, just regular beef noodle, but with no bean
Yeah,
stock.
tiêu sạch cô.
Mi là cái tiêu đây. Thôi mi là mi cái tiêu tôi có mi cái tiêu không người ta mi là. Mi là cái tiêu tôi có.
Yeah, I just don't want bean
Mi là
stock.
cái tiêu tôi, ở cái tiêu không người ta.
Mình là tiêu túc. No, okay, it's only beef boat noodle right now.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, yeah, no.
But just tell them
Tầm đạn, slice it off,
no, just tell them no bean stock.
Ô chi đã.
Oh, and no pork blood.
Chị đạn nó cao, đạn nó cao.
Cái ăn trao đó. Cái tôm đạn luôn. Cái tiêu. Tiêu cái cô ấy.
Sạch cô.
Tiêu cái cô rồi.
Đã miên bái nên là
Nguyên bài đi mới là cái tiêu của mình.
dâu tiêu tụ là đã tụi ăn được không? Sạch cô.
Tiêu cái tiêu phi. Ini tak keping
Ấy là nguyên là cái tiêu. Tiêu cái tô.
giờ ấy con vô tiêu tiêu ra tiêu
Nguyên cái tiêu.
cái câu bay cái tiêu cái câu bay thì tiêu muối
Nếu mà tô thực phá mới dần.
tôi có một bài xài tiêu hơi
I'll show you guys how much they.
I might as well buy another boat.
It's like a kid size.
Yeah, it's like kid size right here.
Mát bạt.
lạnh xanh như tiền ta lạnh không ta tê xanh cho những cái nói chỗ này và
Cái bánh kim pết nó còn miền.
It's good, but man, it's just so small.
Cái nhà. Này, bao nữa.
anh đi bên trang không kêu mấy tiền anh trang không kêu bằng này nhà trang tôi
You said that's actually
Trang
really
tốt.
good.
dạ
Bây giờ trang thống.
là
So is this
Cái
actually
kia
really good?
Cam
The small size.
để cam thuốc lên xin chứ đâu. Bữa ta mấy
Wait,
tô
so
thịt
we
tha
could have
đâu.
told them that we could have gotten a bigger size?
I think so. I'm not sure.
Dia bơ làm ta chẳng. Con cao ở đây bôi bro. Các bạn.
Oh, some pork cracklings. Give me a bag so I can put it in here. A bag of the pork cracklings. Oh, no, no. How do you open it? More limes for me. Look, my broth is already all gone. There's no more broth. She's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. I would get this like again.
Want another bowl?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Come on, chan kia.
I won't. But tell them more broth.
Vừa chan đây, vừa chan không gì đấy, chan đi hết, chan đi hết.
Mình chan tôm tiêu.
Miên chan không,
Your chan tôm.
vừa chan không à.
Tell them I like more broth.
Vâng ơi, vô cái tiêu chan không mùi, tiêu thịt câu.
More broth. This is actually
I
not
thought they could
bad.
put more broth.
Đó,
Yeah, this is not bad. Oh my god.
ớt hồng. Anh ơi, anh phải lên mà. Ở đây anh ơi, lên tiêu tiêu chan con nào. Giống như là mình tập tiêu không. Anh chỉ mắc lên tiêu 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 cao. Lên tiêu cao chỉ mắc mà.
It tastes better with this in there. You have to add this in there.
There you go. Right there.
Dia chan không nó chan tạm mùi này.
You just pour this.
Yeah, it's square.
Yeah. I'm just gonna- Oh, you have to add the pork crackling in there. It makes it taste way better. I really like that chili. A little more on the spoon here. But I prefer this spot than the one right there.
Got to come in early to get the other stuff. So,
Oh, the other stuff, like what?
like rice and whatever. Like, cause over here, like places like these are just like morning spots. So they just make enough to like it sells out and that's it. Cause like later in the afternoon, there's probably like a different shop. You know, like those.
Wow. This is actually really good.
Chan thêm đấy anh.
Oh my god. This is really good.
Nghe nhói.
Chén nước bình trong nhâm mà bài.
Đây cam chắc tục lên cái tự dưng nên thấu bài nữa. Mày tờ nào thiệt.
Tô nữa, quay xây nữa.
Đây xây lên này. Đây. Lấy
Mình
những
lại là lấy nữa chén nữa.
way better than that restaurant.
ទៅកាត់ទៅថៃហូបកាទៀវហ្នឹងឯងទៅថៃមានកាទៀវហ្នឹងឯង
cái miếng đâu mà được cả
តែnóចាន4 40 បាត
She have to get 2 bowls.
Actually, really good.